Welcome to Pizza Radio World. I have here an Aiwa AR-350. This is a very small little radio. It's got some really cool little deco lines to it. Get a little close up here and you see it here how the lines in the radio run. It's a fantastic little design, what they did to it, how they ran the lines. It's got a real deco look to it. It's a very small radio. It's got an on and off volume control over here. Turn the radio on and off. It's got a reverse painted dial on it. Station indicator is up here at the top. It's got a brass coated, metal coated screw knob holding the dial in. The bottom here, it's got a reverse painted badge with Aiwa in it and the manufacturer number, the AR-350. At the top here we have an earphone jack, and we have 4 slots for double sets of 2 sets of earphones. On the back here it states that it's a 3 transistor radio, and it states that it's made in Japan on it. This radio does have damage. This radio is made out of a real thick, brittle plastic, which would be real common for this radio to have damage if found. This is a set that you do not come across very often. I'd put it in a category as a rare radio, a very rare transistor radio. This radio was also manufactured in a Zephyr name brand. I believe Aiwa probably made them for Zephyr. This runs on a standard 9-volt battery at the bottom here. Again, there's no speaker in here. This is an earphone only set. It's an antenna, tuner, on and off volume. It says Toshiba transistors in it. I don't know if we can get in there to see them, but they are Toshibas. There's 3 of them in there. There's one here, there's one here, and there's one over here. The back label has some neat information on it. Take a look at it. That's it. That's the Aiwa AR-350. Small little earphone only 3 transistor radio. It's a very cool little set. It's a small radio. Extremely hard to come by. Very susceptible to damage. The back fits very tight on it. The plastic's made out of a hard, brittle, thick plastic. It's going to chip and it's going to crack. And the back goes on there. That's how they were designed. Taking that back on and off, they're gonna very possibly going to get damaged. It's a neat little radio for a collection. It really is. If you want something you don't see every day, this is the radio. This is Pizza Radio World signing off on the Aiwa AR-350.